Okay, guys, let's get right into it with what I like to call the three S's of Python: setup, syntax, and style. We're going to set up your Python installation so you can write and run Python code. We're going to talk through the syntax of Python, which will enable you to write Python code that actually works. And we're also going to talk about the style of Python. In other words, writing Python code that's easily readable and clean. So let's get started. First things first with setting up the environment. We're going to download and install Python. And to do so, we will just simply visit python.org, hover over the downloads section, and download the recommended version for PC or Mac. Run the file, and that will start the installer. And one note for PC is that we want to check the box add Python to path. That essentially is like creating a shortcut to make it easier to run Python. And in Mac, that's already done for us. We'll then just keep the defaults and continue through the installer, and then verify the installation with a few commands.